Make a great choice today with
The 2018 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, remote engine start, mini spare tire, rear parking aid, remote trunk release. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.